name is Steven, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to clean a gas stovetop. As you can see, my stovetop looks pretty messed up from the juice from the food we've been eating, and it's now turning black. And today we are going to get rid of that. And what we need is some paper towels. We also need some ammonia, concentrated ammonia. Make sure it's not diluted, and a razor blade scrubber. Okay, let's get to it. So the first step, what you want to do is remove these metal toppings right here. So you make sure they are gone. I'll put mine aside. So the next step is I want to lay these paper towels all around this stovetop in all the 4 spaces. So like that. I'll fold them up nice and quick like that. So that they stick, I need to pour some ammonia. Follow with me now. Like that. Now it's sticking. So I continue all around. Oof, it smells bad. So I'm gonna complete for all these 4 and come back when they're ready. So I've gone ahead and wrapped the whole stovetop in these paper towels, and then I've soaked ammonia in the paper towels. The ammonia is what is gonna do the trick of removing the dirty stuff, which was the black stuff that was on the stovetop. So yeah, that's what I've gone and done. So you'll do the same. Wrap the paper towels all around. Like for me, I folded them. Then applied ammonia. Make sure you apply generously. Then we are going, like right now it's nighttime. I'm going to let this sit overnight, and it's gonna do the trick, and then I'll come back in the morning. But before I do that, I want to make sure that all this is covered up because it's leaving a stank in the house. So to cover up, I'm using a trash bag. So I've went ahead and cut a trash bag into this shape. So I've cut it open. You can use something like a plastic cover or something of your preference. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to cover with it. So this looks good so far, but I'll go ahead and use some tape to steady up to hold it in place just in case a hurricane comes in the house. Nice and tight. Alright, it looks nice and snug and tight. I cannot breathe those fumes anymore. So right now it's 1:47 a.m. I'm gonna let this sit overnight, and I'll come back in the morning, and hopefully the stuff that was black that we want to get rid of will have become loose. So see you in the morning. Welcome back. So it has officially been overnight, about 8 hours, and I'm going to unravel this to see how it turned up. Ugh, it still stinks. So, at a closer look, you can see that the stuff is coming out. So I'm going to remove these. You see, it's just coming out. Like I just have to. You see, I just have to move over it. So yeah, it's definitely like become very loose. I'm just gonna wipe over it like that. So I did not even need a scalpel. So a scalpel is for removing the loose stuff, but I don't see any loose. Like here, could remove that. But all in all, I did not need it. It just worked good. So yeah, so you're gonna go ahead and just wipe. So the ammonia works. You just wipe all around. So I hope you can see how it turned out. So yeah, it worked pretty satisfactory for me. I'm just gonna go over it with a washcloth, a rag like this, and a scrubber to remove any debris. It just comes out. I'll show you. See here? It just comes out. Just scrub it a little bit. The dirt just comes out. So I'm gonna wipe the rest of it and see you in a few. So I have gone ahead and wiped the debris, and these are some realistic results of what you can expect to see. So I wiped them, and this is what you can expect to have. I am pretty satisfied with my results. Yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which video you'd like me to do next. See you next time. Peace out. Deuces.